Welcome back, racing fans! Today, we're diving into one of the most successful operations in NASCAR history, Team Penske. Whether you're a die-hard NASCAR enthusiast or new to the sport, Team Penske's impact on racing is undeniable. Let's take a closer look at their NASCAR operations and how they've achieved legendary status. Founded by legendary businessman and car owner Roger Penske, Team Penske is one of the most successful and iconic teams in the NASCAR Cup Series. But did you know that the team's NASCAR journey began back in 1972? That's right, Penske entered the world of NASCAR with the goal of making an impact, and they've certainly done just that. Roger Penske's entry into NASCAR came at the invitation of car builder and legendary driver Donahue. Their first entry was a simple, yet competitive effort, but little did anyone know that this would be the beginning of something big. Over the years, Team Penske has grown into one of the sport's most recognized teams, with a legacy of winning races, championships, and countless accolades. So what makes Team Penske so special? Well, it's a combination of factors: innovation, consistency, and an unrelenting drive for success. Team Penske has always been ahead of the curve when it comes to technological advancements, vehicle performance, and team strategy. They're known for their cutting-edge car designs and commitment to excellence in every area of their operation, from pit stops to driver development. In terms of talent, Penske's driver lineup is second to none. The team has housed some of the biggest names in NASCAR history, including Hall of Famers like Rusty Wallace, and more recently, stars like Joey Logano, Brad Keselowski, and Ryan Blaney. These drivers have played crucial roles in securing championship titles and bringing home major victories for the team. Joey Logano, for instance, has brought home several wins and clinched the 2018 NASCAR Cup Series championship. Brad Keselowski, a former Penske driver, also delivered key victories, including the 2012 NASCAR Cup Series championship. Their success, combined with the talents of current drivers like Ryan Blaney, has kept Team Penske at the top of the sport for decades. When it comes to championships, Team Penske doesn't shy away from the spotlight. The team has won multiple NASCAR Cup Series, not to mention countless race victories, solidifying its place in NASCAR's history. In addition, Penske has built a strong presence in other racing disciplines, including IndyCar, sports car racing, and even international events. The operation behind Team Penske is just as impressive as the racing itself. Their state-of-the-art race shops and engineering facilities are a testament to the team's commitment to excellence. Penske's operations are a well-oiled machine, with thousands of hours invested in preparing cars, refining strategy, and optimizing performance for each race weekend. Of course, behind every victory is a dedicated crew. These unsung heroes work tirelessly in the background to ensure that every car is ready to race. The team's pit crew is known for its speed, precision, and flawless execution during those critical moments on pit road. Looking ahead, Team Penske shows no signs of slowing down. With new drivers, fresh talent, and their proven commitment to innovation, the team is set to continue dominating NASCAR for years to come. In fact, their involvement in the sport is more than just racing. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, both on and off the track. So there you have it, the remarkable journey of Team Penske in NASCAR. With their legendary driver lineup, cutting-edge technology, and relentless pursuit of excellence, it's no wonder that they've become one of the most successful teams in the history of the sport. If you're a racing fan, you definitely want to keep an eye on what this powerhouse does next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting NASCAR content. See you next time.